Welcome to the Crazy Hat Chemist. So today we're doing another video, so let's get started on bonding. Bam! So today we're doing a drawing of a Lewis dot structure number 11. We're going to draw the Lewis dot structure of sulfur hexafluoride. Sulfur is a nonmetal, fluorine is a nonmetal, hexa is a prefix for the number 6. So we first got to get the formula, and there's our formula, SF6. We're going to use our periodic table to get the number of valence electrons in sulfur. That's 6. Valence electrons on fluorine. That's 7. How many fluorines do we have? 6 of them. We're going to sum these numbers up. We're going to get 48. We're going to divide this by 2 so that we can get total of pairs of electrons. And the total pairs of electrons is 24. Now we're going to find the least electronegative element there is. And that's the sulfur, the least electronegative element. That goes in the middle. Then the fluorines go around the sulfur, but I first need to check one thing here first, and that is, what period is sulfur in? Sulfur is in period 3. So if it's in period 3, 4, 5, 6, or 7, it can exceed the octet rule. Therefore, the fluorine can, all 6 of them, can go equal distance around the sulfur in like a circle-like pattern, just like that. Then, in placing the pairs of electrons, here's how I'm going to place the pairs of electrons. Okay, I'm going to place a pair of electrons between the central element and the outside elements, and that's what I got right there. Now, any remaining pairs of electrons, I'm going to place them as lone pairs on the outside elements. Unless I have more, then I'm going to dump them in the middle. But now I'm going to place lone pairs of electrons around the fluorines. Okay, now I need to check for the octet rule for fluorine. Fluorine must follow the octet rule, and it does, so that's good. Okay, now I'm going to check that sulfur. Now, sulfur is hypervalent, i.e. it can exceed the octet rule, and it is period 3, so that is actually okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to clean up this Lewis dot structure to make it look correct. That is, bonding pairs of electrons are drawn as lines. And so this is my final formula in which I have right over here. Now you see that the fluorines are all equal distant. Each fluorine has 3 sets of lone pairs of electrons, and that sulfur does have way too many electrons, but it's okay because it's period 3 or greater. Okay, I'm the Crazy Hat Chemist. I got a crazy hat on. If you like that video, give me a thumbs up. I like the dinosaur. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Chloe, thank you very much for the hat. Rawr!